So there's an isosceles triangle, the one where no sides are equal.
Two sides are equal in length. Radius is this one here. So the radius goes here. This one here is called a chord. It doesn't pass through the center. So A is a chord. What is C? C is the center. So we did radius, center and chord. Now the one that's missing is, well, circumference is missing. Circumference is the walking distance, or the distance around the circle. So if I start here and I walk the whole way around, that's the circumference, walking distance. The diameter is a straight line through the center from one side of the circle to the other. That's the diameter. On top of the next page. Opposite angles are equal. So if we look here at the 35, opposite here, W has to be 35. Fill that in. 35 and 35. This one is 70. The opposite one here is 70. X is 70. Right. You know that the complete circle
360.
is 360. So we'll add up what we have so far. We've 70 plus 70 and 35 plus 35. So 70 plus 70 plus 35 plus 35. And we've got 210 when we add them all together. So 210. Write it down here. 210. The complete circle is 360. So subtract. See what we've left. We've 150, isn't it? Yeah, so half of that is 75. So Z is 75 and Y is 75. The measurements of the sides of four triangles are as follows. So 534. So I'll show you what 534 looks like. Can I grab a ruler? So 534 is actually a right angle triangle. So we'll draw it up here. Five, 3, and that is a, oh sorry, it's a 4. I did that slightly wrong. Start that again. Sorry. 4, 3. It's a 4, 3, and that's a 5. That's a 4, 3, 5, which is a right angle triangle. B, 5, 6, 5. Two sides are equal in length. Okay, what type of triangle is that? Isosceles. C, 3 different lengths. And D, 3 different lengths. So which one is the isosceles is the question?
B.
B. The answer? So it has 2 lengths are equal.
You say 2 sides are equal.
Yeah, 2 sides are equal in length. Sorry, I said that wrong. Wrong. 2 sides are equal in length, I should have said. Alright, we'll keep going. Use a protractor to measure. So you get your protractor and you put your line, see the line there, you put the crosshairs on that point. And you start at 0 and you count up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then that's 65, 66, 67. Do you agree or disagree with Keane's measurement? He got, oh, his answer was 100. So he got 100. What did Keane do?
He measured the whole thing.
He tried to measure this one. Keane tried to measure this angle here. 0, 10, 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, but he did it wrong anyway. So that is 67. It could even be 68. So, do you agree with Cian? So you disagree. Reason? It's 68 degrees.
When you say that the angles are acute and acute angles are less than 90.
That's right, you could say that as well. The angle that he measured was obtuse, greater than 90, and the angle that we measured is acute. Yeah. So Cian's angle is 100 degrees, which is obtuse, which is greater than 100. Our angle is 68 degrees, which is acute. Alright, the next one. Terms on your course can be used to find the measure of angles on the diagram below. Write down in your own words any theorem that you could use to find one of the missing angles. So, first of all, the first one is 3 angles in a triangle add up to what?
180.
180. Alright. So, three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Find the measure of each of the missing angles in the diagram above. Show your calculations. So if we add, so show your calculations mean, right, add 73 and 60. 1, 3, 3. Oops. And then we need to subtract 133 from 180. 180 minus 47. So x is equal to 47. Right, and that is 180. So y is 180 minus 47. 133.